In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Canva design to landscape and download it. Whether you're working on a presentation, a poster, or repurposing an existing layout, switching to landscape can make your content fit screens and prints more effectively. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and share a few simple adjustments to keep your design looking clean afterward. Start on the Canva homepage. In the search bar at the top, type presentation or poster. This quickly brings up a wide range of ready-made designs. Open any template you like to jump straight into the editor. Don't worry about the initial layout too much. Our goal here is to get into the design workspace so we can change the orientation. You can always replace images and text later. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left of the screen and click the resize button. This opens a panel where you can control the dimensions and proportions of your design. It's a convenient place to switch orientations without rebuilding your layout from scratch. In the resize panel, find the orientation section. You'll see two options, portrait and landscape. Click landscape. Canva will instantly rotate your design to the wider format, keeping the same overall size ratio, but changing how content flows across the page. This is especially useful for widescreen displays or when you want more horizontal space for images and charts. After the switch, take a moment to tidy things up. Some elements might shift slightly as the canvas changes shape. Move text boxes so they align neatly with the new width. Resize photos to remove awkward crops and make key visuals more prominent. Recentering the layout can make the design feel balanced again. Use alignment guides to snap elements into place, and consider grouping related items so they move together. If something looks too stretched or cramped, adjust margins and spacing to restore breathing room. When you're happy with the layout, it's time to save your work. Go to the upper right corner, click Share, then select Download. Choose the file type that fits your needs. PNG or JPG for images, PDF for crisp prints, or keep defaults for simple sharing. If your project has multiple pages, you can select all of them or just the ones you need. Finally, click Download and let Canva export your design. And that's it. You've searched a template, switched to landscape, fine-tuned your elements, and downloaded your finished design, all in a few quick steps.